Good morning, general chemistry students. I would like to reiterate a few important aspects of this interactive general chemistry class. First, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this course. Secondly, I'd like for you to forgive me for my sunglasses. This is my Bose sound piece, and so I need it in order to make this recording. I would like to first of all say that you're in this class. Please, under no circumstances, procrastinate in the course. This is always leads to difficulties with students, particularly when they don't access the materials in the course, get behind, and then try ferociously to catch up. It's always disastrous. Students who stay on course and who follow the recommended guidelines as outlined in the syllabus inevitably do well in the course. I have delighted in working with students who are very conscientious in the course. I expect you to ask multiple questions if you have them. Do not hesitate under any circumstances to ask questions. You can do it in a variety of modalities. You could send me an email directly for a private conversation about your issues and or concerns. Or you could use the discussion section in the course if you want an open discussion that you think that everyone can benefit from your involvement in the course. You could also work with colleagues in your class that on an individual basis to help you to understand. There's nothing like a colleague showing a fellow student how to work a problem or to accentuate their understanding of the concepts and principles in the course. As you peruse the course this morning, you will notice that there is a discussion section that provides videos on the principles and concepts in the modules. There are also hints to some of the problems in the Pearson homework assignments and hints for the quizzes themselves. Please take full advantage of those items. So occasionally go to the discussion section and see if there are postings that pertain to what you're studying as far as principles and concepts are concerned. There are 8 modules that contain the details of what I would like for you to study and learn in this first year general chemistry course. These will be your primary source of information, and you can use your textbook as a resource to accentuate and amplify those concepts and principles that you might have difficulty understanding. And of course, you could ask me as well. I've also tried to capture the essence of the chapters by using some of the PowerPoint presentations developed by others. There are videos in the discussions section presented by others that hopefully will amplify or at least clarify some of the principles that we talk about in the modules. I call these guest lectures. Also, please read all the information provided in the course website. Make sure you carefully go over the syllabus to ensure your complete understanding of the syllabus. It is really a delight to have you in this course. I hope you have a good time. Most students do, who again apply themselves to the course. Under no circumstances should you hesitate to ask questions. Ask questions. And you will get, my obligation is to respond to your questions within a 24-hour turnaround period. Most of the time, I'm able to do that. Occasionally, there might be extenuating circumstances that may prevent me from doing that. But generally, you will see that I will respond as quickly and as expeditiously as possible. Normally, I also expect students to be able to use the tools in the Canvas. However, this course during the summer is so quick that I decided that every quiz will be multiple choice. So I do want you to understand the material. I don't want you to be guessing. You don't have to do the Canvas tools, but you should be able to work out any of the problems in detail if you have to, and you should be doing that anyhow when you answer the question, so that you can ensure that you will arrive at the correct answer. The only thing I don't like about multiple choice questions is that it's difficult, not impossible, but difficult to give partial credit for your work. I will try to carefully examine each answer that you give to ensure that wherever possible, if you miss something, I may be able to give you some partial credit. We'll see. Depends on how you answer the question. I hope that you will enjoy your summer experience in this course. It's not a difficult course, but you got to stay on top of it. You know, people are sometimes a little reticent to do chemistry in an online modality, but it's not that difficult to do. There is a lot of responsibility that rests on your shoulders. However, if you go over the modules, if you look at all the hints that I provide, if you look at all the study materials that I provide, you shouldn't have any difficulty in this course. But let me know early within the game if you are experiencing any problems. And I'm here to assist you, to help you through the process, not to make things difficult for you, but to make things as easy as possible. I wish you the very, very best in this summer, and please do not hesitate to reach out to me if you need to do so. Take care and have a wonderful summer experience. And again, I'd like to reiterate something that I've done also in writing to you, and that is for you to be safe during this pandemic experience. This is difficult for a lot of folks. I know it's difficult for you and your families, but I assure you this too will blow over. Take care and be safe. Bye.